Hello? What are you doing? Are you pooping? You want to sit on the car? No. No? Okay. You want this way? Alright, see you later. She started locking herself in bedrooms while she poops. So, yeah, she wants some privacy. Which kind of makes sense. I mean, everybody wants privacy while they poop. Are you gonna color? Oh. You're gonna put those in the box. Okay. It is raining.
Daddy. Daddy.
You want Daddy to come outside with you?
Baby.
You want your bathing suit on? You want your bathing suit with a flower? Okay. Are you done? Are you gonna go swimming? Don't stand on the edge. If y'all have struggled with mastitis before, you know why this is out. I'm feeling better today though. Alrighty, we are getting ready to head to church. Oh my goodness, there's a baby crying. But husband is doing some stuff down at camp real quick, and then we are loading up to go to church. And yeah, baby, there you are. Josh is looking for you, you know. Oh, and right before we left for church, I was getting Bear dressed and his umbilical cord fell off. Thank the Lord. I'm so excited that it fell off so early because Cherokee's, I feel like, was on for like 3 months. But he is only 1 month old and it's already off. It's a good day when your baby's umbilical cord falls off unexpectedly. The mud is fine. It won't kill you. Keep walking.
Come on.
There's
his head really well. Looking over his shoulder.
I know. No.
Does that arm taste good? Does that arm taste good? Yeah.
It's just taking it
It tastes good, doesn't it? Yes. Amy's gonna be jealous.
Cherokee, you painted your toenails.
Amy's gonna be jealous.
Bulrush yellow. Is that what we call it?
All right. Have your day.
Hey, I need that.
Hey, you need that because you dropped it. Or somebody did. You
What?
or
Oh.
Cody won.
No water. I didn't see any water. Stop! Wait a minute. 1 minute. Go.
Just telling everybody what to do. Listen, people.
Okay, this time, this team is going to be on this side of the pole, this team is going to be on this side of the pole. We're going to take the cups, and I'm going to count the timer, and then we're going to have the most cup on their side, loses. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Shane, sacrifice your body. Sacrifice your body.
Ready to play tail.
Two cups later, that goes to cup later, which that's off. Well, we're in the air though. Alright, 300 cups to count. 300 cups to count.
Hey, who are you talking to? Daddy. Always Daddy. I think it's locked. Cherokee, let me see. Brandy, you're famous. Your Instagram stories are famous. Hey, get off me! Get off me!
Did you hear the one about her going to 3 hours? She said first habit.
Oh!
I had to go grocery shopping at Walmart. She said because all
Oh! I don't trust Allison either, Cherokee. She's. She's like, ew! What's your fortune, Noah? Let's hear it.
Probably courageously shoulder the responsibility of one's mistake is character.
Is that even a fortune?
It's deep.
That's deep. He goes, that's deep. Jared, you got some rice in your beard. It might be a noodle or a pea, though. Mm-hmm. Yummy. True love. Can you say bye, Noah? Bye, Noah. Bye. The first
she
one was
said
better.
no.
Yeah. Bye, Noah. See you later.
Bye, Cherokee. Bye-bye, Mr. Bear.
Bye, Noah.
goodness.
Thanks for visiting.
Yeah, see y'all later.
See you later. What you laughing at, huh?
You can't know.
Did you drink your juice on the way there? Did you roll the windows down?